Morning guys, Joel Frank here, market analyst for YouTrading, and this morning we're going to take a quick look at dollar CAD. Because dollar CAD has really been on the move higher in recent days. Pretty much as spoken about in videos we've already done this week, it's been a very much a risk-off week. Global equities have been selling off, commodities have been selling off, like copper is way down, WTI continues to fall, and so the combination of risk off and the combination of the downside in commodities is hurting risk sensitive and commodity sensitive currencies. The Canadian dollar obviously is one of those. So take a look at the chart here. I've got dollar CAD here on a 1 day, these are 1 day candles, and you can see that this move higher, we had these lows here from back in May where it nearly broke under 120 but wasn't quite able to, and now it's almost like things have come full circle. We've been trending higher, and then in the last 5 sessions you can see we've just exploded from around the 125 mark all the way up to what is a really key level. It's pretty much around 129.50, just below the key psychological 130 level. And if I really zoom out a long time, you can see back here before the pandemic, January 2020, this was a good area of support. It was a good area of support last November. Then once we broke through it, we came back and tested it, and then it was a strong area of resistance. So yeah, pretty much you can see this is a really strong area. Now, these kind of levels potentially can be quite a good opportunity. Obviously, the fundamentals have got to go your way, but to me, it seems like there's probably going to be some people that want to sell this rally, because if you think that risk appetite is going to stabilize in the next couple of weeks, if you think that commodity prices might stabilize as well, then all of that would point towards a bit of a correction back lower for dollar CAD, perhaps on towards this we've had this uptrend support that's been supportive, perhaps towards that, or at least back towards this level here. This was the previous July high, around 128. So if that's what you think, then you might be tempted to sell this rally around this area, and if it really does push lower and break below this upward trend line support, then actually you've got a good area here of support as well to target, in the form of the 21, 50 and 200 DMAs all lining up nicely together here, around 125. So yeah, that's what some people might be looking for. Conversely though, of course, if risk appetite continues to deteriorate, losses in stocks continue to get worse, losses in commodities continue to get worse, well then we could be set for what could ultimately be a very big break to the upside above the 130 level, and then the next key area of resistance you would want to be looking at would be around 134. Really, you can see you had these highs back in, when was this, September and October, around 134. A break above this 130, 129.50, 130 area would be big and could precipitate a rush of technical buying. So yeah, dollar CAD, a very interesting one at the moment because it's at this key level. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one.